Hello students, today we are going to learn class 8 chapter number 7 cubes and cube roots. Here I am going to discuss some points to remember which is going to play an important role in solving the questions of this chapter. So let's begin with the points to remember. First of all, you should know what is a cube. Taking one number and the same number 3 times and multiplying, we get cube of that number. For example, 1 multiply 1 is 1 cube. 2 multiply 2 is 2 cube, and so on. So, what is the general meaning of cube? Any number which is multiplied 3 times will give you the cube of that number. Symbolically, we can write cube root symbol is like this, and we will read as cube root 1. That is 1. Now here I have written some cubes which are very important for your solving of all the questions. It is starting from 1 ending on 20. You have to learn all these cubes by heart. From 1 to 100, there are 4 perfect cubes. 1, 8, 27 and 64. See, you should know from 1 to 100, there are only 4 perfect cubes, that is 1, 8, 27 and 64. Next point, every natural number has a cube, but every natural number does not have a cube root. इट मीन्स कोई भी नेचुरल नंबर आप ले लोगे तो उसका आप क्यूब फाइंड कर सकते हो, बट उसका क्यूब रूट निकालना इज नॉट पॉसिबल. इफ द डिजिट एट द यूनिट प्लेस ऑफ अ नंबर इज 0, 1, 4, 5, 6 and 9, the digit at the unit place of the cube of a number is also the same digit, that is 0, 1, 4, 5, 6 and 9 respectively. This point is very important, and this point I have explained with the help of some examples. Let's see the examples. 11 cube is equal to 1331. Here you can see the unit digit of 11 is 1 and the cube has the unit digit also 1. 10 raised to 3 is equal to 1000. The unit digit of 10 is 0 and the cube of 10 has the unit digit also 0. 14 cube is equal to 2744. So here you can see the unit digit is 4 and the cube of that number has also the unit digit 4. 15 cube is equal to 3375. Here you can see the unit digit is 5 and the cube of that number also possesses the same digit 5. 16 cube is 4096. The unit digit of this number is 6 and the cube of this number is also has the unit digit 6. 19 cube is 6859. Here you can see the unit digit is 9 and the cube of this number possesses the same unit digit 9. So what you have to observe in these numbers is that the unit digit of a number 0, 1, 4, 5, 6, 9, the digit at the unit place I am talking about, the same digit will be appearing when you will be doing the cube of these numbers. That is 0, 1, 4, 5, 6, 9 respectively. I hope you are getting what I am telling. So I can say 0 has the unit digit 0 when you will be doing the cube of that. 1 का क्या हो जाएगा, लास्ट में जब आप क्यूब करोगे you will get 1 again. 4 you will get 4. 5 if you are doing the cube of any number which has 5 as the unit digit, you will get 5 in the cube of that number. Similarly for 6 and 9. Now think about the numbers which are remaining in this group. Which are those numbers? Those numbers are 2, 3, 7 and 8. Let's see what we can do for those numbers. So which numbers are left? They are 2, 3, 7 and 8. Now we will see if the unit digit of a number is 2, 3, 7 and 8, what happens to the unit digit when we do the cube of such numbers? Let us see. If the digit at the unit place of a number is 2, the digit at the unit place of a cube number of the cube of a number is 8. It means अगर कोई भी digit, कोई भी नंबर जिसका डिजिट पीछे यूनिट डिजिट 2 है तो उसका आप क्यूब करोगे तो उसमें आपको क्या मिलेगा? यूनिट डिजिट 8 मिलेगा. लेट अस सी हियर द लिस्ट. See, left side I have written the digit at the unit place of a number and right side I have written digit at unit place of a cube of a number. If it is 2, you will get the digit at the unit place of a cube of a number 8. If it is 8, you will get 2. If it is 3, you will get 7 in the cube of that number. If it is 7, you will get 3 in the cube of that number. So, in short, what trick I can give you for these numbers, how to remember if the digit at the unit place of a number is 2, 3, 8, 7, the digit at the unit place of a cube of a number will be 8, 2, 7, 3. See, in the previous numbers, that is 0, 1, 4, 5, 6 and 9, we have seen the digits were same. But here the digits are changing. So, what is the trick we can see in this kind of questions whenever it comes like this and they will ask you the digit at the unit place of a cube of a number? What you can do is, see, 2 plus 8 is 10. 8 plus 2 is 10. 3 plus 7 is 10. 7 plus 3 is 10. It means whatever digits you are adding to this one, you are getting 10. So, अगर आपको पूछते हैं digit at the unit place of a number is 2 and if they are asking the digit at the unit place of a cube of a number, then you should write 8. How you will get 10? 2 में आप कितना ऐड करोगे तो आपको 10 मिलेगा? 8. 8 में आप कितना ऐड करोगे तो आपको 10 मिलेगा? 2. 3 में कितना ऐड करेंगे तो 10 मिलेगा? 7. 7 में कितना ऐड करेंगे तो 10 मिलेगा? 3. So likewise the summation of both these numbers will be 10. So many times they are asking in the MCQs or in the question format that digit at the unit place of a number is given and you need to answer the digit at the unit place of a cube of a number. So you can remember this trick. This is very easy trick. 2 के साथ हम कितना प्लस करेंगे तो हमें 10 मिलेगा, that is 8. You will get these answers very easily. Now let's see with these ones with the examples. 22 cube. 22 multiply 22 multiply 22, that is 10648. So here you can see the digit at the unit place of a number is 2. Digit at the unit place of a number is 2. इसका अगर हमने क्यूब करा तो हमें यहाँ पे क्या मिल रहा है? 10648, that is unit digit is 8. It means हमें सिर्फ यहाँ पे यूनिट डिजिट से काम है. सो 2 का आप देखिए आपको 8 मिल रहा है. फाइन. अगर यूनिट डिजिट हमारा 3 है, यूनिट डिजिट हमारा 3 है यहाँ पे, तो हमें कितना मिलना चाहिए? 7 मिलना चाहिए. सो 23 multiply 23 multiply 23, 1 2 1 6 7. So here I am getting 7. Then 18. 18 में I am having the unit digit as 8. So 18 multiply 18 multiply 18, that is 5832. So here you are getting 2. When it is 8, you will get 2. Then here I can show you 17 for 7. If it is 7, then you will get 17 multiply 17 multiply 17, that is 4913. So you will get 3. So here I can conclude when it is 2, you will get 8. 3, 7, 8, 2. When the unit digit of a number is 7, the cube of that number has the unit digit 3. So I hope whenever these type of questions comes in exam, you will not make any kind of mistake in solving this kind of questions. Now let us look for some more important points. If the digit at the unit place of a number is 0, if the digit at the unit place of a number is 0, मतलब आपको कोई भी नंबर दिया है उसका जो यूनिट प्लेस है वहां पे अगर 0 आ रहा है तो लास्ट 3 डिजिट्स ऑफ द नंबर of the cube of that number are 0. That is 10 cube is equal to 1000, 20 cube is equal to 8000. लेकिन हमने स्क्वायर में क्या देखा था कि स्क्वायर में अगर आपका यूनिट डिजिट 0 आता है तो यू विल गेट 2 zeros at the end because that was what? That was square. But here we are talking about cube. So this was about zeros. Now let us see for what are Hardy-Ramanujan numbers. What are Hardy-Ramanujan numbers? Say if I take the example here 1729, I can split 1729 as 1728 plus 1. That is 12 cube plus 1 cube. So Hardy-Ramanujan numbers are what? They are the summation of two cubes. Say 1729 can also be splitted into 1000 plus 729. That is 10 cube plus 9 cube, which makes 1729. And these numbers are known as dull numbers. So Hardy-Ramanujan numbers are infinitely many numbers are there which are known as Hardy-Ramanujan numbers. They are nothing but they are the cube of the summation of the cubes of two numbers. Now so here I have written some numbers which are also Hardy-Ramanujan numbers which you need to express as a sum of two cubes in one or two ways. These answers I want from your side in the comment section so that I can come to know that you understood whatever I taught in this video and you also understood what is mainly Hardy-Ramanujan numbers. So I hope everybody understood what I have explained in this video. If any doubts are there, then you can comment me in the comment section and I'll be eagerly waiting for your answers of these numbers. Thanks for watching my